Waterford, Michigan for a import cruise-in. Here's a nice 2013 BMW 128i, I believe that is. Catching a lot of attention. Volvo C30 5-cylinder engine, nice shade of blue there. This car is from the Milwaukee area.
Oh yeah, the Quincy one.
Look at that symbol.
I really like it. It's my first one.
You don't see too many of these anymore. It's a Volkswagen New Beetle. I like the wheels there. It's got matches that convertible top color with the inner part of the wheels. Nice looking car. Nice 1965 Volkswagen bus with a rack on the roof. Grateful Dead fan. Nice shade of blue. I don't see these running around too much anymore. Pretty sharp. Nice little VW Carmen Ghia here. Nice looking wheels. It's got a sunroof there. It's like aftermarket. Interesting mirror. Porsche wheels is what they are. Nice vintage Beetle convertible. Good looking wheels there, aftermarket. Like manual transmission. BMW M1, I believe, is what that is. Dark glass, nice looking wheel. There's a Beetle with the Rolls-Royce type front, quad headlights. Definitely an eye catcher. A little low on air on that tire in the front. Not too sure about that hood emblem. Does have a rain vent though. VW bus or van, if you will. Nice color, like a turquoise. Couple Beetles. And this place is called Munk's. Nice Audi TT convertible there. Beautiful red paint. Great looking condition. There's a Porsche catching a bunch of attention. I believe 1966 Volkswagen wagon, for real. This car has 40 degrees out today, and I'm not sure I would have had that open, but it sure does look nice to on a sunnier 60 to 70 degree day. That would be perfect. Very nice looking car. It's a nice 1973 Carmen Ghia convertible. Nice color. There's a gorgeous Porsche Spider there. Very nice. Beautiful, low to the ground, wide, stellar. Nice Porsche 944. You don't see many of these traveling around anymore. It's pretty sharp. Very nice for the age of the car. Here's a red Beetle convertible. Pretty cool. Black top. Hudson back here. 1953 Hudson. Real nice. With a DeLorean alongside that. Can't even walk between two DeLoreans. On unobstructed side, Hudson Hornet 2. Nice rain vents there. Nice big long car. Nice visor for the windshield. It's a real nice car. Okay, how do you feel about that? Here's the wonderful emblem on the trunk lid. Twin H power. Very nice. And this is a car sold from Atlanta, Georgia. It's too bad those cars are so tight there. Porsche 928 there. Another one, you don't see many of these around. You do at Monk's. And they got more than one. How about a 914? Targa, I believe that was called, at the top. Grill back behind the back glass. Just bring back some memories for you. Take a look in the shop here. Nice little tool chest with stickers on it. Nice music going on. Got some more Volkswagen buses inside, including we got Mr. Bill as a special guest. How about that? You don't see that every day. This is neat. Look at that setup there where this bus is standing on that, where you can walk down the stairs to work underneath of it. Pretty cool. I believe that's a Porsche Cayenne hoisted up in the air. Here's what you got underneath. Pretty good condition. Nice looking wheel. Very nice. Got some actual wheels over there, like those top level wheels. Got your great looking Bosch spark plug banner there. Here's this car from this angle. Nice little shop. Let's open this pit up. Danger. Pretty darn cool, if you ask me. Like it. Nice view from behind there. Nice view of the Beetle lifted up there in the air. Beautiful gray. Got Porsche wheels on it too.
Photoshop 4 that was like a, what an invention.
Nice looking in there. Sweet ride, bro. Well, that's gonna about do it from this fine establishment here, Monk's. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And if you did, I ask you to please leave me a like, click for notifications, and subscribe for more great material like this. As always, I thank you for watching another Street Rodder King production, and we'll see you somewhere down the road. White Ferrari with gold wheels. 308, I would guess. See these either, a Volkswagen Thing 181. Nice Volkswagen R32 here. Sharp looking white wheels. Nice red body. It's pretty neat. 79 Beetle convertible, nice turquoise color. Don't see these every day. Mercedes-Benz 420 SEL. I remember having one of these in Matchbox car form. I did like that one. Beautiful classic there. Volvo S90, 8-cylinder, long car. Nice wheel. Big luxury car. GTO. The ones that sound really good, but kind of leaves something to be desired in the looks department, particularly since it's not an American car by any stretch of the imagination. Later, bro.
Yeah.
Nice looking Subaru there.
Yeah.
Here's another rarity, Toyota Corona. Looks a lot like a Chevy Cavalier or a Cadillac Cimarron from the 80s or 90s. Nice rain vents. Nice red Porsche. End up with this car, a nice green new Beetle.